Okay, it's recording. Here we have a whole bunch of crows on our lawn, and they are tearing the apples on our apple tree to bits and pieces. Now I'm shooting through the window. Oh, a whole bunch are flying off now. Yeah, I'm zooming over to some of our neighbors' trees. And then back down again. There are just a ton of them. Okay, Bub, do you have any comment? Oh, just say something.
No.
Bubby, could you say something, please, about the crows?
There are hundreds of crows. It's amazing.
How many hundreds? I just got booted. Okay, we're gonna cut.